What's going on, Fitbees? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Altman. I've been a Nesta certified fitness trainer since 2013. In today's video, I'm gonna take you through my upper body workout in my 12-week Let's Get Shredded challenge. You can download a free PDF version of this challenge at fitbyjennifer.com. And if you miss any of the other workouts, you can go over to my channel and catch up. This workout challenge consists of 4 to 6 workouts per week, which will be repeated for the next 12 weeks. It is great for beginners or if you're familiar with the gym. I'm so excited for today's workout, so let's head to the gym. What's going on, Fitbees, and welcome to my upper body workout of my 12-week Let's Get Shredded challenge. Okay, so we're starting off with our lat pull downs. So you can either do a typical lat pull down or you can try these single arm lat pull downs. I'm getting 10 to 12 reps each side for a total of 4 sets. Okay, moving on, we have our chest press. Here I'm just using dumbbells and I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. And moving on to our shoulder press. Either use dumbbells, a barbell, or even the cable machine. Here I'm using the cable machine, and honestly it was kind of challenging using this bar. I got 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on to our tricep extensions. So I haven't done this style of tricep extensions in a while, and honestly, I've missed it. It was such a nice stretch. It really targeted my triceps, and I got a total of 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Okay, moving on to our bicep curls. I love doing bicep curls on this cable machine using the rope extension. I got 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. And of course, we're getting our push-ups today. I got 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. And last are 100 reps of abs. So sitting on the bench like this was really challenging, and I was more focused of not falling off, but I was using my core so much that it was such a great exercise. Okay, Fitbees, that wraps up today's workout. Until next time, peace.